All right, y'all. I am out here with the Punisher, just having a little fun. You guys know basically this is a KRONOS XTR 2022 version, but I've added the Punisher body, the wing to it, and then I also put one of the Team Corrales Willy bars on there too. And then those are some very old, my car is trying to go on reverse for me. Some very old Arma Creighton tires and wheels. I believe those are the version, that may be the version 1. But anyway, you guys know that this truck is super fast. This is still stock out the box. 13.2 pinion gear, 52 522 spur gear. And this truck hits 65 miles per hour. No gear changes or anything. So I like to come out here, run my cars. You guys can see it. Do a little test running. Work on my driving skills somewhat. Ooh, geese over there. I knew they were somewhere, but I'll take this off-road in just a second, but I just like watching this thing. Look, watch this. This is just no gear change at all. So they've got some fast trucks and buggies. We're waiting on an on-road car from them, because it'll definitely be pretty spectacular when they do that. All right, get this over here, and we're gonna go off road. I do kind of want to, for some reason, go around here. I'm not gonna go hard. I don't want to tear all this up, but I don't know why. Don't want to destroy their property. So we're gonna go over there. I got my ramp over here. Get up here. This thing looks so mean. So I think out of all of them, all the Team Corrales trucks, I think this one looks the best. And then the Morocco, even though that's like not a monster truggy, I think the Morocco is gonna come in second next to the KRONOS as far as looks go. I think this just has that mean, unique look to it, so. I do recommend you get one of their cars. Go ahead and get a fan for your motor. Red Cat's got a really good fan they put on their Kaiju vehicles. That's what's on here now, because it's definitely gonna get hot even with the 13 tooth. At some point in time, I'll go ahead and gear this up to see what kind of speeds we can get with this. I think I could put a 19 in here with the 52 tooth pinion gear, and I do got a 46 at home spur gear. I mean 52 spur gear, and so we'll do that at some point in time. Real soon, y'all. I don't know when, real soon. And I shut off right in midair. Look at that. Good thing I wasn't doing some super big jump. I just came unplugged, that's all. I need to find me some more of these tires. I don't even know if they still sell them. Go to eBay. These are some good truggy tires I think Arma made. The newer ones are good too, but I think personally these are good. I put these on my sledge, and I got 80 miles per hour out of them. They didn't even like balloon pop, come off or nothing. Not saying that they won't. Ooh, oh, ooh, that was a hard one. We messed something up there. Look at that. All right, let's see what we did. So we broke. So I have had the dangest time landing on this right side. You guys see, I have a turnbuckle there, and then I have a non-adjustable turnbuckle here. And my dog bone has been, because I keep landing on this side with my horrible driving, but that's not a bad break right there. And I got to straighten that dog bone out. Look at that. So anyway, that's gonna be a run of this. I'll get that straightened out. I think if this car has any weak points on it, thus far from my driving and stuff and my running of it, has been the rear turnbuckles. And then all of a sudden, those always break sometimes, these shocks down there. So if they're gonna do some running updates, that's probably something they should look at trying to update a little bit. But other than that, it's been pretty good. The steering blocks, the heavy duty steering blocks actually work out. They don't pop out. That's a good thing. And other than that, it's been pretty good. It's a very, very fast truggy. And this is like their version 2 of these vehicles. So probably around the version 3 or 4, they'll probably have it perfect. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.